Hi friends, I am Sangeeta. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am not going to cook. Today it will be cooking with my son. So let's see what is he planning to cook today. Today I am the helper. Here is the master chef. What are you going to cook today?
Pad Keema.
Okay, so yes, I'll help him and I'll show you. So for this dish, we need rice noodles. So I'll start boiling it now. By the time he finishes chopping those chickens. Should I put straight or I have to break it?
No, straight.
Like this?
Yeah, that's fine.
So what are you going to do now?
1 tablespoon of fish sauce, a pinch of pepper, and I'm going to grate those 3 garlic cloves onto the chicken.
Okay, fish sauce, grated garlic and black pepper. He's going to marinate the chicken with these 3 ingredients. Noodles is boiled, it's ready. So let me strain the water now. Now needs mom's help to grate that garlic. What are you going to do now?
Because we're cooking for about 3 portions, I'm going to use 6 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons worth of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons worth of dark soy sauce. The recipe normally asks for light soy sauce, but we don't have that. And 3 tablespoons worth of sugar. And they ask for normally palm olive sugar, but we don't have that either. So yeah.
So with that, you're preparing the sauce now?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think your sauce is ready now?
Yep, you can see the viscosity, it falls like a normal liquid. So because we put sugar in, it would have been a bit gloopy, but it's not. That's good.
Adding chicken now?
Yep.
The marinated chicken?
Yep.
What are you adding now?
Chili flakes.
Okay. 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah, mix it. So I'm chopping now pak choy and spring onion. It will be small piece.
Spring onion small.
Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
And pak choy big piece?
Bigger piece, yeah.
This much?
Yeah.
This size will be like this, and spring onion even the smaller piece like this.
I'm going to add the rice noodles in.
Okay.
Oops.
It's okay, it's okay.
And then on top of the rice noodles, we're going to add the mixture we made.
It's giving nice smell.
Now let's see if it's enough, because there's quite a big portion.
He thinks the sauce he made is not enough for this portion, so he is preparing more.
In the second portion,
Now it's giving nice color, I think so. Do you add any salt?
depends on the taste, so we have to taste it first. Because soy
Okay.
sauce has a lot of salt itself.
So take over.
This color here still isn't dark enough. Pad Keema or drunken noodles normally is when you get it at restaurants, it's served even darker than this. So I'm just going to add more soy sauce because soy sauce makes it a lot darker. So we're going to add in the vegetables now. I'm just going to use my hands, I've washed them before. You can also add chilies if you want to, but my sister and my dad, they're not very good at eating spice like me and my mum.
You need help? So it's fun to be sometimes to be helper, and Junior Chef, he made our lunch today, is ready. So let's serve and enjoy our food. This is for whole family as everyone is at home now, but me and my son both we love it spicy. But for dad and daughter we couldn't make it spicy, so I'm adding some chili so that it becomes very spicy and hot. It's really fun cooking with your kids and becoming a helper sometimes. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.